everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Dodge Dart. This is a true GT. Neat car, man. I actually sold this car about 8 years ago. Bought the car originally out of Virginia. It was at that time a 2-year-old frame-up restoration. So the car's actually, it's about a 10-year-old resto on this car. Really nicely done. You can see it's finished in Hemi orange. Got the black tail stripe, factory black vinyl interior in it. It's got all the GTS striping and the hood and everything. It's actually just a GT. Neat car, and I mean a running son of a gun, guys. It's got a healthy 340 in it, 4-speed. It's got an 833 23 spline Hemi 4-speed trans in it. With the it's got an 8 3/4 411 Richmond Sure Grip rear end in it with strange axles, and this thing runs, man. This car absolutely gets with the program. One thing that we are going to have to do, he's actually put a, he's gone through the trans, the gentleman that I'd sold it to, and he also had a new center force clutch put in it. I do not like the way they have this thing adjusted. It's way too aggressive. Matter of fact, Nathan's nervous about driving it in the video because it just kind of jumps out at you. So I'll have Steve adjust that. But again, it's only a 5-6-year-old clutch, but I do not like the way they have it. A couple little touch-up marks you can see on the car. Again, about a 10-year-old resto. Very well maintained. Good car. Chrome and stainless is nice. Again, car hits the road good. See that dash in there is nice. It's a good car, really good car. Love the color combo. Of course, this Hemi orange just pops. Little metallic to it, so looks good in the sun. Got the little touch-up marks there. Glass is nice. That's just a little dust, guys. We're remodeling, so we got dust everywhere, man. Tail panel's really nice. His wife actually said he sent that out and had that redone. Looks good. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Sorry guys, it's just little hand prints on there. If you're seeing that, somebody put the hand on the bumper. Good looking car. It's got the big and little look. I think it's BF Goodrich radial TAs all the way around it. It's got 15-inch welds all the way around it, the Drag Lite wheels, and it's got the big and little. So it's got the smaller front tire. It does have front disc brakes. Again, healthy 340, guys. It's actually got J-code ported and polished heads on it. I think it's a 650 Holley dual feed 4-barrel on it, Edelbrock intake, nice little cam to it. You can see it's got power steering, Hedman ceramic headers, does have the HEI distributor in it. Again, power steering, manual front disc brakes, 833 4-speed trans. It's got the Mopar finned aluminum valve covers on it. Neat little polished, it looks just like a Mopar too, polished aluminum radiator in it with that uses the factory shroud. It does have frame connectors on it. Little things that he did, he's the one who put the radiator in it. I don't think he did a whole lot. Little trim pieces, just a couple little things. Cool color combo. Of course, I love the 4-speed. I love the sound. A-pillar chrome's nice, you know, showing a little wear, but not bad at all. Looks like original mirror. Door handles have definitely been replaced at one time. Door rubbers look good. Interior looks good. It's got newer carpet in it. Probably the original sill plates in it here. I've ordered new floor mats on it. They'll say Dart on them, black with a silver writing. Bucket seats, got the buddy seats, or buddy seat in the center. Got the Hurst competition shifter. Again, we will adjust that clutch. 64,574, that's supposed to be the right miles on the car. AM radio's got some aftermarket gauges with a big monster tach in it. Blower motor does work. Again, it's got frame connectors, dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 411 Richmond Sure Grip rear end with strange axles. Also, we've got a broadcast sheet that came with this car, but it's not actually to this car, which you guys, that actually happens a lot. It's just got some service manuals for it. Those will go with the car. That's all body color in the trunk. There's a spare in here. Pretty darn cool car. Little hot rod, little fun car to bang the gears. You know, not really detailed up a ton underneath here. It's got some undercoat underneath, but it's clean, it's straight. I got some pictures for you. It is about 100 degrees out here right now. It is just cooking. I don't know if you guys, every time I move, I've just got sweat dripping off me here. Seats are nice. Front seats are really nice. They're plush. They've definitely refoamed these seats. Did a nice job with it. So the dash is nice. Gauges are clean. Got Nathan fired up. I know the parking brake works. That A-pillar chrome is really nice. Just gotta figure out which key he needs. Nice little cam to it, rumbles good. Gets its R's quick, and like I say, guys, this thing will scoot out, man. It's a handful. I don't know if that fuel gauge is working. We'll check it. Tach works down there. All your gauges working down there. Yep, good oil pressure. Like I said, I know the parking brake does work. I think all the lights, I think even the backup lights work, if I remember right. Yeah, backup lights work. Car's got a great sound to it, man. I didn't check the radio. Did you see if the radio worked? I don't think it does.
Flowmaster works.
Well, yeah, I know that works. Wipers work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way we can get a notification every time I post one of these videos. Nathan's nervous about that clutch. He says, I just jumped. Like I say, we will adjust it, make it a little less aggressive there. Ah, shoot. He had a truck pull out in front of him. Have a great day, guys.